Okay, so in the previous class, we learned about the changing the row height and column width. So in the previous class, that is due to some issue in the OpenOffice Writer, we are doing that practical in the Word. But we show the mouse pointer. Today I will again repeat the table menu to how to change a row height and column width using the table menu. So firstly, I want to show you the table. You can see here, I already made it previously. Now you want to change the table row height and column width. So firstly, you have to go to the table menu. In that, you have to click on the auto fit, and whenever you click on that, you can see the option. Whenever you select the whole table, it will be all the options available for you. If you have singly click on that one cell address, that time it will be not show the all the options to you in the auto fit. Okay, if you want to particularly write the column width or the row height, you can use these two options. Second is the optimal column width. That will be optimal particularly. Firstly,
good morning, ma'am.
Whenever we start our class, don't be wish me in between the good morning. I request to the every student. Firstly, I select the column. You can see here. Again, then I go to the table. Sorry. Then go click on the auto fit. Optimal column width. Whenever I click on that, so it will be decrease the size of that according to the text. आप text देख सकते हो उसका according वो decrease कर रहा है. I'm removing it and I removed it and pressing the tab. Now I will be again select this one column. Go to the table menu. Auto fit. Optimal column.
Good morning, ma'am.
So it will be optimize the width of column according to the text. Text के according वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा optimize करेगा width को. Secondly, row. I'm selecting the row. This one row. Go to the table. Auto fit. Table. Okay, the option is not available as I'm not selected the table. So select the table. You have to go to the table menu and auto fit, and you can do the distribute row equally. So it will be equally distributed. सबकी रो की height same होगी. Same you can do for the column also. Table, auto fit, distribute. So it will be distributed equally. सबकी width एक जैसी हो जाएगी. So this topic that we learned previously, but due to some issue, we are not able to do the practical. Now we are going for the next topic, that is the page properties. That thing also you learn in the class 4. Class 4 में भी आपने कुछ page properties सीखी थी. For example, indentions. Then you also learn about the margins. You also learn about the line spacing, indentation. Both things you are learning in the class 4. What is the line spacing? Anyone remember that? किसी को याद है? I'm asking to the old students. Line spacing.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Line spacing is for the paragraph. Whenever you write a paragraph, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. This is a paragraph. Line spacing is show between the space between two lines in a paragraph. दो लाइन के बीच में कितनी space है? Single line spacing, double line spacing, and 1.5 line spacing. Then indentation, it will be show the space from the margins, left side margin and the right side margin. Now, next properties are header and the footer. What is the simply tell me what is the meaning of header? Header का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? आप अपनी तरह से बताएं. आप क्या समझते हो header का meaning? एनीवन? आप क्या समझते हैं हेडर का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? टेल फ्रॉम योर साइड, फ्रॉम द वर्ड के ऊपर से आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि हेडर का मतलब मैन साइड ये हो सकता है, लाइक दैट।
चैनल
व्हाट?
स्क्रीन शेयर कर।
Maharshi, you have your side. Okay, now we are on the topic. Now we are on the topic, the header and the footer. Anyone have an idea what is the meaning of header? Header का मतलब क्या हो सकता है, या फिर आपने कहीं पे ये वर्ड सुना हो?
No, ma'am.
Nobody can listen that. What is the meaning of header? Whenever there is a page in front of you, whenever you are making any document in OpenOffice Writer, you can see a page. This is a page. On the top, that is a header, and on the bottom, that is a footer. आपको ये दिख रही है लाइन के नीचे जो भी आएगा, जैसे अगर आपको मैं कोई डॉक्यूमेंट दे रही हूँ, I gave you some of the document, and sometime it will be written the page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that numbering is a one type of footer. आप नंबरिंग देखते हो, that is a one type of footer. Header means what? On every page, whenever you repeat a same thing, अगर पेज पे एक ही चीज बार बार आपको देखने मिलती है, जैसे कि chapter's name, that is called the header. So what is the header and footer? Clearly meaning is that it is a feature that can be used to insert the page number, chapter name, icons, symbols, graphic, and so on. It will be repeat across all the document. आपने जितने भी पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया होगा, उतने पेज के डॉक्यूमेंट में हेडर फुटर आपको डिस्प्ले होगा. You have to just write once and it will be repeat on every page of the document. We are today not making a such type of pages. हम एक ही पेज बना रहे हैं. अभी तक आपने एक ही पेज देखा. Whenever you are making the 4-5 pages and you are adding the header and the footer, it will be shown to the all the 4-5 pages. So let's see the demo. First, I will be read the steps. Then I will be show the practical form. Select the format page from the menu bar. To add the header in the document, under the header tab, check the header on option. You can see here. This is the image of header. To insert the footer, under foot tab, these are called all the tabs. Under the footer tab, check the footer option. You can add the required information in the header footer using the insert fields. So let's see. Practical for that. Okay. I'm putting the enter here because I want the second page. So I also entering it. So you can see the second page over here. Now, again, I go to the first page. What should you have to do to add the header? You have to first go to the format tab. In that, you have to go to the page option. Whenever you click the page, you can see the page style pop-up message. In that, you have to go to the header tab. You have to click on the header and OK. Whenever you press OK, it will be on. You can see here a line. Please mute yourself. Whenever you do the header on, you can see a small line on the top. That is a different from the page. जो आप पेज में लिख रहे हो उससे पूरा different होगा. Here I am writing the name of the chapter. You can do the all the objects, right? If you want to change the margin, if you want to do it center, if you want to do the align right, everything you can do here. I'm taking the center and I bold it. And right here, the chapter 4, that is our chapter, Advanced Formatting in OpenOffice brighter. I also increase the size of it so easily you can identify. So you can see here. Now I'm write only the first page, but you can see here it will be also came on the second page. मैंने सिर्फ first page पे लिखा था because it's a header. It will be come to all the pages that will be added to the document. I will be pressing the enter and I'm adding the third page also. You can see on the third page that is a header is also there. आप कोई भी पेज पे कहीं पे भी चेंज करोगे that will be displayed.
मेरा voice is not coming properly.
Okay, now it's audible. Okay, in place of CH, I'm write the full thing, the chapter. So it will be changed to the all the headers of all the pages of the document. You can see here. Same thing, same process you can do for the
तो आज मीटिंग में
same thing you can do for the
फ्रेंड्स मीटिंग.
if you want to discuss yourself, you can be in the class.
तू मुझे फोन कर देना तो मैं ज्वाइन हो जाऊंगा.
Chinese just
बेस्ट फ्रेंड के ग्रुप में आदित्य.
What is this, Jainil? You are attending the class or you are discussing your best friend groups? If you want to do that, I allow you to remove from the class. I will be put your present. Just remove from the class. Don't disturb us. Same process you can do for the footer. You have to just click on that. Press OK. You can write down in the footer the page number, whatever you want to write. You can do the editing also, and you can write here the page number, etc. Whatever you are writing, it will be displayed. So it will be displayed to every page. You can see here. This is the header and the footer. I request again, don't be unmute yourself, please. Humble request. Next topic, second property of page, that is a page orientation. Means whenever you print your document, जब आप पूरा document बना रहे हो, तो वो print होके किस तरह से दिखेगा? There are the two types of page orientation. Please mute yourself. First is the portrait and second is the landscape. Whenever it comes in the vertical form, whenever the page is print on the vertical form, that is called the portrait orientation. And whenever the page is printed in horizontal form, it is called the landscape. You can see the demo for both. This is the portrait page and this is the landscape page. This is the portrait, this is the landscape. In the exam, maybe that will be asked you from the image. आपको ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं, image देख के आप बताओ कि ये किसकी image है, what is the orientation of page, what is the type of page. So at the time you have to be select from the portrait or the landscape. The document is printed vertically across the page in the portrait, and in the landscape, the document is printed horizontally across the page. What should you have to do for the page orientation? Same thing, select the format, go to the page option from the menu bar. Under the page tab, select the portrait or the landscape or option from the orientation. Let's see the demo. Here you can see this is our page. Now I'm click on the format. You have to be click on the page, then go to the page, Here you can see the orientation option. By default, whenever you make your document, it will become on the portrait form. Whenever you click on the landscape, it will be changed and you can see the output here. आप अपना output यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. It will be slight wider compared to the previous one. If you want to change it, you can again do the format page, go to the page tab and select the portrait and press OK. This is the orientation of page. Next, column formatting. What is the meaning of column in the table? Okay. Next thing, that is a column formatting. What is the meaning of column? You can see here a one article. जब आप न्यूज़पेपर देखते हो तो उसमें क्या होता है, पूरे न्यूज़पेपर में ऐसे horizontal line लिखी हुई नहीं होगी. It will be came in the part. So that is called the column. Whenever you are making your posters, whenever you are making for the article for the newspaper, at the time